I welcome you to this video, and I presume the reason you're here is because you've been recommended to watch this video, which I'm very honoured that someone would make that recommendation. But also you have an interest in bullying, hopefully stopping bullying. Now that could be, you might be a bully, you might be a victim, you might be a teacher or a school or a parent. We've all got a serious problem with bullying, and it spreads right throughout the world. I'm committed to doing whatever I can to eliminate bullying for all time. I believe we can do it, but there are a few things that we have to do. I've created a book which I thought was going to take me probably 2 or 3 weeks, but it's taken me many months and a lot more resources than I ever dreamed. And I'll show you the book. It's a very comprehensive 72-page book. It's got aspects in there for bullies, for victims, for teachers, parents, innocent bystanders. It's got we've got in the back there's information from the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, other law enforcement agencies. There's helplines for kids and for bullies. And my philosophy is this, that many good people over many years now have made all sorts of attempts to stop bullying. Regrettably, even though those people have no doubt done their best, it hasn't worked. Indeed, bullying can be seen in many areas now as being worse than what it's been before. That's a horrifying trend to me, and I'm sure it is to you as well. So as I said, my philosophy is that we've all got to be on the same page, hence my book. I've tried very hard to put accurate information, helpful information in there. There are things in the book, for example, like if you see a bullying incident, there is a form there to fill out, which sets out who was involved, the time, the place, the date, what was said, what was done, because police forces all around the world now are focusing on bullying, both traditional bullying and the more recent cyberbullying, because it is a big problem. I'm sure I don't have to tell you that some of our beautiful young people have even taken their own lives. That's a serious problem. Now, sorry, but once again I'll go back to my philosophy. We all need to be on the same page, and we all need to understand what is bullying, what is not, what is just kids behaving badly, what are the chances of people being caught for doing what they're doing. They need to understand the penalties that might be applied to them if they do get caught. This is, I'm talking about bullies, of course. And another helpful thing that's in the book is a journal, which I highly recommend to you, that if you are aware of bullying, whether maybe it perhaps might be yourself as a young person, or if you have a child, that even if you suspect they might be being bullied, there is a journal in the book which sets out all of the things that we believe will be essential to record all of these things as they happen. It might happen twice or 10, 20, it can happen any amount of times. If that's the case, the journal is there. It can be printed out as many times as you want, have a separate page for each incident. And again, it sets out who was involved, the time, the date, the place, and all the other things that were said and done, witnesses as well. I encourage you and urge you, anytime any incident of bullying is presented to you, whether you're a parent, a teacher, a bully, a victim, not so much a bully of course, or even a police officer, to fill the journal out, keep a journal of the incidents that have happened, and that may prove to be the key to having someone stop bullying at some later time. Now, again, I recommend my book to you. I've kept the price very low. It's under $10. I only hope, fingers crossed, that I can cover costs. I'm confident I will. But I recommend my book to you, and that is my email on the screen now. If you've got any comments you want to make, any questions you want to ask, any assistance that you might require, please send me an email, and I promise you I will answer it. I'm committed to this. I want to see the elimination of bullying for all time. I believe we can do it. There are millions and millions and millions, literally millions and millions and millions of people around the world that are doing whatever they can to stop bullying, whether it's protecting their children or protecting their children that might be bullies. Police forces want to stop it, schools want to stop it. I mean, it has an effect on everything. It has an effect, of course, on the victim of bullying. It has an effect on the class, on our education of our young people, communities, parents, even countries. It's having a horrible effect, and we must stop it. I hope you'll join with me. I'm committed. I'm Les Power. There again is my email address. If you've got anything that you would like to say to me, please send me an email and I will respond. I hope that you can find the answer that you're looking for, and if I can help you find it, I'd be just thrilled. I really would. Thanks for watching. I wish you all the very best. Bye for now.